Hey guys, I just wanted to hop in here to make a quick review about our partnership with Asharab and his team. So to give you a little background, right? So we've been working together with like Shopify developers and even had in-house coders for ourselves. But for a new project, we needed a quick solution. That's why we hopped on Fiverr and stumbled across Asharab. Right, and the minute that we contacted him, one thing that completely stood out was his fast communication. This is crazy, right? So we're in different time zones. I'm in Milan and he's in Pakistan, right? But like his availability is like 24/7, like really. And he completed the first project and we were really happy and impressed how fast it was done and also how precise, and he exactly knew what we wanted, right? So ever since we literally ditched some of our developers to just work with Asharab and his team, and we never looked back. Like the work ethic, the dedication, the availability, 24/7 communication is just exactly what we're looking for. And yeah, all in all, we've been pretty happy and blessed to be working with Asharab and his team. And yeah, what can I say? That's about it.